Hi guys, today I discuss about information system. If you are new in our YouTube channel, please like and subscribe our channel. First of all, I see what is an information system. An information system is a coordinated set of components that collect, process, store and disseminate information. It supports decision making, coordination, control, analysis and visualization with an organization. Here's an overview of the key components and functions of an information system. Components of an information system. Number 1, hardware. Physical devices and equipment used in the system. For example, computers, servers, networking equipment. Number 2, software. Programs and applications that process and manage data. For example, operating system, database management system, enterprise applications. Number 3, data, raw facts and figures that are processed into meaningful information. Number 4, people, users who interact with the information system, including IT professionals, managers, and end users. Number 5, procedures and rules that govern the collection, processing, and dissemination of data. Functions of an information system. Number 1, data collection, gathering data from various sources including manual input and automated capture. Number 13, data storage, keeping data in a structured format for easy retrieval and management, typically in databases. Number 3, data processing, converting raw data into meaningful information through sorting, filtering, aggregating, and other computational processes. Number 4, information output, generating reports, summaries, and visualization to support decision making and other organizational functions. Number 5, feedback mechanism, allowing for the system to be adjusted based on output and new inputs to improve performance and relevance. After see the information system, in second we see types of information system. Number 1, transaction processing system, TPS, handle daily transactions and routine operations such as sale orders entry and payroll. Number 2, management information system, MIS, provide middle level managers with reports and access to performance data supporting decision making. Number 3, decision support system, DSS, assist in complex decision making process by analyzing large volume of data and presenting possible solutions. Number 4, executive information system, EIS, provide top executives with easy access to internal and external information relevant to strategic goals. Number 5, enterprise resource planning system, ERP, integrate core business process such as finance, human resource, and supply chain into a single system. Number 6, customer relationship management system, CRM, manage interactions with customers helping to improve sales, customer service and marketing. Importance of an information system, efficiency and productivity, automative routine tasks, reducing time and effort, improve decision making, provide accurate and timely information, competitive advantage, enable organizations to innovative and respond quickly to market changes. Data management, enhance data organization, storage and retrieval capabilities. Communication and collaboration, facilitate better communication and collaboration with and outside the organization. Thank you.